Don't put it anywhere. I don't want anything
I'm
in
not
my
putting
face.
it. Lick my fingers.
I want to be blindfolded first. 50 Shades of Grey.
It's smaller than I thought.
Oh. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video.
Today's video is very exciting for me because you guys all know how much I love food. An amazing company which we ended up loving so much since the very first day sent us again a box. A happy smiley box.
They sent us another box full of goodies. Inside this box, there's a lot of candies, chocolates, snacks from all over the world. I think we have a promo code as well. We will link it down below for some percentage off. So please go ahead, grab your box of goodies from all over the world. And to make this video exciting, we're not just gonna unbox it and eat it in front of you. So to make it exciting, we are gonna be blindfolded
with my beautiful night mask. You put it on wrong already.
Sorry. Whoever is not blindfolded is gonna reach out into the box, grab a snack, feed it to the person that is blindfolded, and the person that's blindfolded is gonna guess where the food is coming from.
So since he explained everything, you can already change channel because you know what's happening in the video.
So the person that is eating the food is gonna guess where the food is from. So it could be from South Africa. This is hard because there's a lot of countries. So we will link everything down below. I'm not sure if our promo code is still valid, but I think it is.
No clue.
So they sent us, I guess they liked our previous video, so they sent us another box of this.
So let's open it.
So now we're gonna go
I'm gonna
unbox
kill the box.
it.
I asked you for scissors for a reason.
You always have to slice away from you, Fabio. I'm excited what's inside. Wait, it feels heavier. Oh, shoot, we're not allowed to look at it, right? Because we have to guess.
Oh, look how cute it is in the bag.
Isn't it different?
That's different than last time. Okay, guys, so this is the time.
Okay, guys.
Obviously, we cannot look what's inside because we're doing this kind of challenge and
I want to
figuring
be
out.
blindfolded first. 50 Shades of Grey.
Go for it. I'll fold you. I mean, I'll blind you. You can totally tell this is a $1.
Can we unbox it so we can't see what's inside at all?
Okay, ready?
So, Fabio's feeding me first.
You guys are gonna see what's inside.
So you're not looking, right?
No.
Oh, I'm excited. I want to see it.
I hope it's in the frame.
Is it in the frame?
I think so.
Check it.
I don't know. I'm gonna go up and down so you can kind of...
You can't read anyway where it's from.
Oh, that's true. That's
What happened?
That's the paper on top.
Stupid ass!
So there's a sticker as usual, and there's a card.
Do they have a message?
Munchpak.
Let's read it first. Oh my god, we're too excited.
And it says, "This Munchpak was made with love, just for you, by Nick."
You take it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
Go.
wait, I need to take the paper off, and there we go, guys. There you have it. We have no clue what's in it. Okay, I'm gonna pick the very first one. So I'm picking this.
What is it? Is it good?
This is so delicious. I think they know us. I think Nick knows us. Okay, Yani. So Yani has to figure out what it is and where it's from. So
You talk too much. Just feed it to me.
yeah, I'm gonna open it. I know this. I really actually love it.
Oh my god, it's savory. Oh, I think I know where this is from.
Tell me. Oh, you. Oh, I feed you.
Of course. How am I gonna
Sorry.
see? I'm blindfolded.
Let's make it sexy. Chew. Chew.
What?
So what is it and where it's from, Yani? Look in the camera.
No, I need to taste it again.
Yeah, sure.
I need to taste it again.
Because you like it, that's
I
why.
I should.
I'll have one too.
How am I supposed to know?
Tell me what it is. What do you think it is?
It's a chip. I don't know what it is, but can I guess where it's from? Is it from USA?
No.
I have 3 guesses.
Bam!
I have 3 guesses.
Okay.
Mexico.
No.
Am I close?
No.
It's from. I need one more bite.
Oh my.
How do you know this? Italian? Italy?
No.
Where is it from?
But you got closer. So this is Nando Peri Peri
United
from
Kingdom.
United Kingdom.
Are you serious?
Nando's.
Nando Peri Peri has chips?
Apparently.
Your turn.
I don't know if it's the same Nando.
Well, it is the same Nando because they use the logo.
Oh,
And
is
it's-
it?
Oh, so this one is the first one. I didn't see the rest of it because it was like so big here. Oh, I don't know if you will know this.
It smells something funny.
So it looks something like this, guys. Oh my god.
What is it?
The same from my country almost, but not really. See, you need to remove the sticker because that sticker has a smell.
Oh, is that what I was smelling earlier?
The sticker has a smell, I know.
Oh my goodness.
Over here.
Here?
Yes.
Don't eat them all. It's a cereal.
Can I feed you? Can I feed you?
Oh yeah.
Can I feed you?
I was so excited. Feed me, bitch. Enough eating. This is my challenge. No. Caramel popcorn. Caramel popcorn from China.
How is it caramel?
Oh, isn't it?
Guess again, come on.
Okay. Chocolate. Chocolate popcorn.
Sure, whatever.
Chocolate.
But we're only guessing the country.
Cocoa popcorn from China.
Close.
China? Close?
You have 2 more guesses.
From Japan.
Yeah! Why? Why do you know? You saw it.
No, because you said close to my country.
Okay, my turn.
Oh, they look good.
It's not chocolate, it's cocoa.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's what it is, guys.
It's actually hard to guess because I think all candies now are the same from wherever the world. Can I smell?
1 second, because
Can I smell?
I know, that's what I did the same. I didn't love the smell of it, but there's also this other thing inside. So, okay, I'm gonna feed you one.
Oh.
Ready? Sorry, I thought it was your mouth.
I know where this is from.
Okay, tell me.
It's Europe.
No.
Are you sure it's not from Europe?
I need to give you the proper...
Is it from Asia? How am I supposed to know?
I'm giving you the full product. Just give me
What do you
one
mean
damn
full
second.
product? How big is it? You gave me the bear already.
It's a composition,
What do you mean
unfortunately.
composition? This is exciting.
Okay, maybe now you know better. Okay.
Bonk.
I don't know if I did it properly because I've never had this. So I'm gonna try to do the same with mine.
Oh, I think I know where it is. Korea.
No.
Thailand.
No.
Japan! I should have guessed. I should have known, but I didn't know that they would put 2 Japans in the box.
Here.
Okay, it's Fabi's turn.
Wait, just give me 1 second.
Oh, I looked again. Oh, shoot. You
Because I
guys.
smell again the sticker.
I'm not sure if this is... Fabi will guess this, but... Oh, chocolate!
Oh! Yani, don't eat it all. Just
Describe-
smell it.
Describe what you taste.
Oh wow, it's dark chocolate, this one.
Eat it.
This is a caramel chocolate bar.
You're right.
And it's from... Actually, you know, I tasted something very similar here in Canada. So I'm guessing it's Canada.
What the fuck? How do you know?
Is it true?
Yes! How do you know?
If you're a food company, you need to call me. Because look at me, I guess everything.
How do you know?
Because the first time I had a caramel chocolate bar was here in Canada. So I'm good at it this
How
game.
do you know?
I love caramel and chocolate together.
Like, there are more than 100 countries in the world. Like, how am I supposed to know where each food's from?
Ooh, is this gonna be good? I know Yani is gonna love this one. So this is what it is.
So it's a chip.
And this is where it's from. I don't know, it's written very small, so I'm not sure.
So it's a chip, because I would love it.
Maybe. Wait, I'll do like you. Oh, damn, it's good. Mmm. No, you love it. Here, I'll feed you.
Don't put it anywhere. I don't want anything
I'm
in
not
my
putting
face.
it. Lick my fingers.
Oh, I think I know what this is.
It's good, right?
Oh, I know the flavor. It's sour cream and onion.
Oh!
It's sour cream and onion
no,
chips. No, it's not? Can I have again?
Yes. Guess the country. Countries.
Is it from Asia? It's not?
No.
Latin American country.
Yani, you need to guess a country, you cannot guess a continent.
It's part of the process. Is it Latin?
No.
The process of elimination?
No.
Europe.
Yes. Oh, yes.
UK.
Yes.
Yes! Really?
Yes. But they went out of Europe.
The Brexit. The Brexit. The Brexit. They're not part of Europe anymore.
Don't look what you're picking though.
I did. Oh my god. From this country.
I'm so excited.
Looks like this.
I hope the guys put again coffee in this bag. So that's a long process. Okay, so I think it's a candy. It is a candy.
I wanna taste too.
Oh,
If you guess this one again, I hate you.
can I have the package one? I know where it's from.
I hate you.
I know where this is from.
I hate you.
Guys, I think this is from Germany.
No!
Isn't it?
No, you have 2 more guesses.
You're close. So it's obviously a fruit candy. I had it before.
You're close though.
Am I close for you?
Yeah.
I don't think it's from Italy. It's from Spain.
No.
No?
No.
UK.
Yes!
Yeah. I remember this one. It's like a fruit. It's like a red package, is it? Okay. Oh, I look. Okay, guys, this is what it is. Up here, it's a very fancy package, I have to say. Very pop art.
Stop talking, just feed it to me. Stop reviewing each package.
Oh, it's smaller than I thought.
Oh,
Yeah, it's not something that I.
plastic.
It's not really pleasant to the smell for me.
Oh, I have a headache.
But let's try.
Oh, it's sour.
Really?
Darna!
Oh, it is very. It's very sour. Where is it from? And what it is? What is it? And where is it from?
Germany.
It's not.
Close?
Can you tell me what it is?
Is it close?
No.
It's sour candy.
What flavor do you take?
Asia.
It is.
Japan.
Yes.
Yes! Ew, but it smells so bad.
I know the smell is really not nice.
Oh, I think you will like this one.
It might be chocolate.
So this is from here.
Chocolate. Yeah. Oh, crunchy.
It's so good! Stop being a fish.
Delicious.
It's so good.
Can I have the package? No.
10, 9,
1 second.
8,
Okay, this is chocolate.
7,
Chocolate.
6,
Chocolate
wafers.
wafer.
5,
Yeah.
6.
It's from Italy. Austria.
No. Yeah, you'll be surprised, right? It's not.
Oh, what?
I know! That's why it's so hard to
Wow.
guess now, because all the countries are becoming so international and multicultural. Like,
Delicious, Japan. Good job. Good job with this
like
one.
what would US be without all the culture?
Okay. There we go. Oh.
Hurry up, open it, feed it to me.
Oh no, we cannot feed this one to each other. This is what it is, guys. Sweet tiramisu flavor ground coffee. So
Ground
damn
coffee!
excited to try this flavor from the package, but I can't.
Okay,
But it's a
never mind.
tiramisu flavored. So we have 2 more. I'm gonna take this one, and this is the country once again.
Stop
I must
reviewing the
go.
product, feed it to me.
No, I need to show it to them because this is a beautiful, guys, beautiful presentation.
Like, Germany. Is it?
It is.
Wow! Oh my god!
This is delicious. That's
Oh
why I wanted to show
God.
the presentation because it was very. Germany, you just climb on top of the ladder with this one.
Germany has always good snacks. Wow! Oh, I like the Germany one. I want to eat that. It's very bottom.
Pink. Oh no, it's a candy.
Oh, it's very
and
sweet.
it's a gummy. Some gummy.
Oh my god, look at what's inside. But it smells so good. This is my favorite.
Can I smell again?
Oh my god. Oh my god, look what's inside.
Can I have? Bitch.
It's so good. I want one more. Get all the clues that I gave you, that I said so far. It's very sweet.
Is it like a?
Reminds me of the Pokey, you know the Pokey stick? I love the flavor though.
Okay, I think it's a strawberry chocolate.
You're right.
Is it? From where though? Asia?
Yes.
China?
One more. Oh, this is so
Philippines?
good. No, I don't think Philippines would make something like that.
Thailand?
No.
Japan again.
Yeah. Japan!
Guys, it looks like Xanax pills.
I came from this like this. So good.
Wow, thank you so much, Munchpak.
Thank you, Munchpak.
We see this in our mail. We're so happy because we love all your products all the time.
Check out all the links down in the description box.
Leave me some. So what is your favorite, Yani?
Just one.
To me, same. To me, Germany
The Germany.
won this time.
The Germany won this
and
time.
It's the waffle. Guys, if you get a package, if you decide to get a box, definitely put this in there.
The first one is nice to the peri-peri.
Peri
Nando's.
peri is my second favorite.
Yeah.
And then I have to say also the cheese and onion from England.
This one.
That's a very nice one.
No, I know. I would still. If I know if it's a coffee,
What
I would
enough.
still. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to check out the link down in the description box. And we'll see you all next time.
We love Munchpak.
Bye, guys!
Bye!
Oh,